First quarter results from SoundHound AI. I'm Cory Johnson, the Chief Market Strategist for Futurum Group. And this is an AI company that's suddenly getting a lot of interest, not least of which because Nvidia bought 1.73 million shares at the fourth quarter of last year as the company's engaging in a new partnership with Nvidia. So what a great time to look at this business. Wall Street likes a beat or a miss, and yeah, I guess this was a beat. The company reporting $11.564 million in revenues. That's not a lot for such a big company, but there's great promise of great things to come. And these results indeed started to deliver on some of those promises. Their growth is really re-accelerating, down from fourth quarter to be sure, but we saw a business where the growth is really picking up here, 73% year-over-year growth for this company. Now they announced a lot of business initiatives. The closing of an acquisition of something called Sync3. Sync3 provides AI voice assistance for over 10,000 restaurants. And they announced a new deal, a quick service restaurant deal with Church's Chicken. Church's Fried Chicken, that's right, and Applebee's as well. What you're thinking, food, AI, what? Food drive-through? Why do you need AI for food drive-through? What, did you not see, dude, where's my car?
And then...
I refuse to play your Chinese food mind games.
And then...
No! No and then!
And then...
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 No! No and then!
And then...
You're really starting to piss me off, lady.
And then...
So quick service restaurants, QSR, very big business for SoundHound, and they're adding a lot of restaurants really quickly here, as well as automotive, a big focus on automotive and partnerships with automotive. And the Nvidia deal in particular is focused on automotive with in-vehicle voice-enabled generative AI that doesn't require connectivity. The large language model will be somehow sitting in the car. Yeah, that's a thing. And they talked about this. They don't give us a lot of data here, at least for me, I'd like to have more data. But one of the things they do give you is the number of queries. They give you an annual run rate of queries. They don't tell you the quarterly number, they tell you an annual run rate based on what they've just done. I guess we can divide that number and figure it out. But whatever it is, the pace of those queries is starting to re-accelerate in the results announced today, and that's a good thing. So in after-hours trading, you saw this stock jump a lot, jump about 12%, and for the year, it's had a fantastic run as well. But the Nvidia partnership to bring large language models to the vehicle is kind of an amazing thing. It's not out yet, and indeed, in the conference call, the SoundHound CEO Keyvan Mohajer was asked when it's going to be ready and what it's going to look like.
We think it's not just about automotive, even for QSR, dynamic interaction, drive-through automation, you could actually bring some of that to the edge. So we are excited about things that can happen faster with that partnership.
So yeah, I didn't hear an answer to exactly when in that answer either, but the notion that this could go a lot further and help them with their other offerings is an intriguing one indeed. But one number that tells us a whole lot, your summary of the SoundHound AI results, I've got that for you right after this.
The Drill Down is brought to you by Futurum Group, where analysts, researchers, advisors, content creators, and marketing experts help business leaders anticipate and understand shifts in their industries and build strategies to leverage disruptive innovation. With deep analysis, Futurum Group's extensive industry experience delivers reliable research and data, thought leadership, and actionable advice to help you with your strategy and go-to-market efforts. Futurum Group.
Our first quarter results in from SoundHound AI, the company at $11.6 million in revenues. That's up 73% year over year. That's good. GAAP gross margins of 60%, kind of amazing. And although the company lost money, $33 million, they saw an acceleration. I promised you that Drill Down Bite, one number that tells us a whole lot. And yeah, 73%, that's your number. That's the year-over-year growth rate in revenues. A re-acceleration of growth after this business looked like the growth was good, but slowing down. Well, now it's re-accelerating, and that's got the stock market really happy. All right, thanks for listening to Drill Down Earnings. Check me out on X at Cory TV, on Instagram and TikTok at Drill Down Pod, and the Futurum Group's YouTube page has all kinds of great stuff on the future of technology. Leave some comments. Let us know what you think. Drill Down Earnings, part of 6.5 Media.